Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Bree. Today is not only Supercar Saturday, but it is the last Supercar Saturday of the season, so of course we have to be there. We have Dom getting ready, we're about to head out. I was not about to miss this. Every single Saturday that they have put this on, we have not been here in town and we've been busy, so see you at the meet. I'm also double vlogging right now, guys. So parking isn't going well, basically, is what you need to take away from this. Hopefully see you guys at the meet up there. There you go.
Thank you. Hopefully we can get inside. I wanted to get a spot inside, but it looks like that's definitely not gonna happen. We'll figure something out though. Double vlogging.
Ooh. Gotta get way over there. Look, some Z-Boys. Could have parked here.
I could have parked here with the Z-Boys.
In a Miata. I love it. I feel like I've seen the Honda around.
Yeah, I could have just came in here and parked it here. There's a lot of spaces in here.
Beautiful. Some Lotus, some Supras, just casually 3 Supras.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, I know. Oh, dream car. I want one so bad. Guys, help my YouTube take off so I can afford this, please. Thank you. Double Ferrari that. Okay, but gray. Oh, these are so cool. Dream, 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 dream. We've decided there's a lot of spots. We're gonna go move his car. There she is, just sitting in a hotel parking lot. Parking.
Race, the one that TJ Hunt knows.
Back park, back park. He has so much pressure, everyone's watching.
I know.
Yeah, it's not
This thing's
shattered
sweet.
from 1975.
Yeah, what's your weight?
It's a little windy, but we are heading out, so he literally never unlocks the door.
You're gonna break
Every
my lock.
time!
You're gonna break my lock.
Then open the door!
Sorry.
He's not sorry.
I'm really not sorry.
I know.
I'm kidding, I'm a little sorry.
I don't believe you.
Well, I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
I think in order to make it up to me, you might have to buy me food.
What do you want? What should we do? We can do breakfast food.
That's
we can
difficult.
we can go get food from somewhere.
See, I saw that TikTok about Chick-fil-A. It makes me want Chick-fil-A. Or we could do like a brunchy thing.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get wings later for the game.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so
We're going to
hungry.
Baker's.
Oh yeah, let's go pick something up from Baker's.
Okay.
Love Baker's.
That works.
Baker's is the best. Okay, we are gonna go stop by the apartment because I've uploaded my video for today, which is Saturday, but I haven't put on the thumbnail, which is my weakness. So I need to go put my thumbnail on so I can actually upload in an hour and a half.
Yeah.
So gonna do that and then going to Baker's and get some food. See you there. See you in the front, Supra in the back, heading out. Bye, Supra. Bye. No. Daniel and I's communication is actually non-existent. We were at the same meet. Why do people put like bushes in the medians? Like you can't see oncoming cars. Anyways, we're getting close to Baker's. I love Baker's. Baker's went well as usual. I always have to have some sort of like car snack. I got this Japanese like pink milk thing. I love pink milk, so we are going to see. Okay. Ooh, smells like candy, like strawberry candy. That's actually pretty. Tastes like pink Starburst. Okay, I have to have you try it now.
It's straight up milk.
Oh, never mind. Don't try it. It tastes really good. This is almost $3, but it's proven to be worthy. So, what are we doing next?
Gas.
Going back. Gas. As you guys can see, I'm about to be pretty busy here. We went to go get wings and it was a 2-hour wait. So here we are with meatballs. So we got onion rings and pasta, and he is making his sub right now. So I think this is a good time to end things here. Thank you guys so much for being here on my channel. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a post, and I'll see y'all next Saturday. Bye.